In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Mapi32.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. So first is we have to check the system type of our Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and type system information. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and simply open a browser. Search for the missing DLL file and just put download, then hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download button corresponding to the architecture or the system type of your Windows. Wait for this to be downloaded. Now, once downloaded, click on the folder icon. Then right click and then select extract all. Click on extract. Copy the DLL file, right click and then select copy. Then go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the Windows folder, and then locate the System32 folder, double click, right click and then select paste. Now once done, close all the remaining windows, then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. Next method, open a browser again and search for Visual C++ for distributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the Visual C++ to your Windows 11. Also consider to update your Windows. Click on the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here to download and install the latest updates for your Windows. Okay, so that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.